Super unpopular opinion. Glitter sucks and is completely overrated.
Ouch!
Stay with me here. Thanks in advance for watching and subscribing. Hint, hint.
Okay.
If we haven't met yet, I'm Elizabeth. I love sharing my generally quirky and usually sarcastic take on resin adventures and jewelry making techniques over at calicounicorns.com. Funny thing is, because I hate glitter so much, I sometimes forget how powerful a little sparkle can be. You'll see in the end how these are the perfect example of grown-up glitter. Actually, Sophia gave me that term, so thanks, girl.
Thanks.
Sure, it gets everywhere. I mean, it gets everywhere.
Hi.
Even after you've painstakingly cleaned it up, there's always a stubborn speck hanging around, like that ex who just won't take a hint.
Ouch!
It's a royal pain to deal with, and yes, it even farts bubbles into my resin, especially when I'm wrestling with the chunky stuff. And anyone who grew up in the 70s or 80s knows all too well about that Christmas tree tinsel that overstayed its welcome until next Halloween. You know what I'm talking about. Or maybe that was just my house, with shag carpets that clung to everything like they were auditioning for the sequel to Goonies.
Huh?
Now let's talk about my two go-to sparkle saviors in resining. First up, I could wax poetic about my adoration for glass balls in resin. I'll leave some links below if you haven't seen them already.
Yes!
They add such a mesmerizing touch that makes every piece pop. This is where Sophia gave me the term of grown-up glitter. Then secondly, there are these Mylar flakes. When you finally tame them in your resin, it's nothing short of a total chef's kiss. To be honest, my resining process sometimes feels like a battle against a glitter army that's hell-bent on turning my workspace into a sparkling war zone. Yet somehow amidst the chaos, I managed to create something that's satisfying. Speaking of satisfying, do yourself a favor if you haven't done so already, and go peek at Sophia's bezels in her fabulous Etsy store. I'll link her channel and her store below. They're an absolute game changers in this glitter or anti-glitter universe. Stay tuned for more resin mayhem, where glitter tries to take over, bubbles refuse to behave, and sarcasm is always on the menu.
Hey!
All leading to unique resin jewelry. See you then.